the dissociation of nitric acid tuna hii hapa hydrogen na nitric ions. Pia yenyewe ni monobasic. Kwa nini monobasic? Una consider number of hydrogen atoms per molecules. Kwamba that basicity, we are considering the basicity. Tunaangalia ile number of hydrogen atoms per molecule. Kwamba ile number of hydrogen atoms per molecule ni ngapi? So here the number of hydrogen atoms in this molecule is 1. That's why the basicity of this acid is called monobasic. Same applied to this acetic acid. This acetic acid is the weak base where it dissociates partial in water, and it gives the hydrogen ion, which is positive charge ion, and it gives the acetate ions, which is negative charge ion. And you can see the basicity of this compound is monobasic also. Why monobasic? Because the number of hydrogen atom per molecule is equal to 1. Okay, let us see about sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid solution dissociates into hydrogen ions, which is positive charge ion, and the sulfate ions, which is negative ion charge. And here the basicity for this compound is dibasic. Why di? Because the number of hydrogen atoms in these molecules is 2. So we are considering the number of hydrogen atoms per molecule. That is all about the basicity of an acid. And when we talk about the phosphorus acid, we can see that the hydrogen atom here, which is positive charge ion, are made of 3 molecules. So if its number is 3, we are going to have the tribasic. And when there is 4, we are going to have the tetrabasic, and so on. So when we talk of basicity, we are considering the number of hydrogen atoms per molecule. Ndo tunaziangalia. Yes? Okay, let us see the uses of acid, matumizi ya hizi acid. I remember before in a previous session we have seen that there is natural occurrence of acids and we have the synthesized one, and tukaona zile laboratory acids, those acids found in our laboratory. Tuliona kuna sulfuric acid, kuna nitric acid, and kuna hydrochloric acid. Now we are going to see the uses, matumizi yake moja baada ya nyingine. Let us start with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, it is used to remove rust from metal, and the metal here used to remove rust from metal, where the rust we are talking the metal about iron or steel. Kwamba hii sulfuric acid yenyewe inatumika kuondoa kutu katika iron or steel metals. Kwamba matumizi yake ndo hayo, kwamba inatumika kuondoa kutu katika iron or steel. Vile vile sulfuric acid is used in manufacturing of synthetic textile such as nylon. Kwamba yenyewe inatumika kwenye manufacturing of synthetic textile, kwenye textile viwanda hivi, such kwa mfano utengenezaji wa nylon. This sulfuric acid is used. Also making fertilizers, kutengeneza mbolea. This sulfuric acid is used in the manufacturing or in the production or in the making, whole process of making the fertilizers. Also the sulfuric acid is used in the production of sulfate. Kwamba kwa sababu kwenye sulfuric acid we have the sulfate compound. So this sulfuric acid, it is used to produce, or it's used in the production of sulfate. Also production of hydrogens and oxygen by electrolysis. Kwa sababu sulfuric acid in the electrolysis, it helps to produce these ions of hydrogen and oxygen. So it is used in the production of hydrogen and oxygen in the electrolysis. Another is hydrochloric acid. In the hydrochloric acid, it uses in the production of chlorine. Kwamba kwenye hydrochloric acid tunaweza tukaproduce the chlorine compound, Also in electroplating, that's the hydrochloric acid is used in the electroplating process, the coating of metals. Another uses is manufacturing of fertilizer, as we have seen in the sulfuric acid. So the same hydrochloric acid can be used in manufacturing of fertilizer. Kumbe tunaweza kutumia pia this hydrochloric acid katika making the fertilizers. Another is manufacturing of rubber. Rubbers. We can use the hydrochloric acid to make this rubber. Another is nitric acid. Nitric acid is used, most of the acids zinakuwa na common uses, matumizi yake yanakuwa yanafanana. Kwa mfano, tuliona kwenye sulfuric acid, tuliona kwenye hydrochloric acid kwamba inatumika kwenye manufacturing of fertilizer. Also in the nitric acid inakuwa applicable katika manufacturing of fertilizers. Another is manufacturing of explosives. Another is manufacturing of nylon, as we have seen in the hydrochloric acid. Another is used as the oxidizing agent to clean metal. Kwamba huyu nitric acid yenyewe ina act as the oxidizing agent. Okay, after looking the strengths of the acid, after looking the uses, matumizi ya acid, now try to perform this task on your own so as you can improve your own understanding concerning about this concept of acids. What do you understand about the term basicity of acids? I hope you have the knowledge, you have the concept as I gave you before, so it is easy for you to pass through the concepts and then reply or attempt the question. Another is what with example describe the strengths of acid. Kwa mifano uelezee strengths of acid. Na tukielezea strengths of acid, make sure you go deep in those part, strong acid and weak acid, kwa sababu hii ndo inatupa the strengths of acid, na uonyeshe mifano. Thank you. Baada ya kukupa hii taski, this can mark the end of our session today. Thank you for watching, my student. Welcome for next session, so as you can proceed with our amazing topic of acids and salt. Thank you. Welcome again.